Morpheus and Omega are not just being used for surveillance, they're being trained to make life-or-death decisions in combat zones. According to a leaked document from a top-secret DARPA meeting, the US military is planning to deploy Morpheus on a massive scale by 2025. This means that AI systems will be making decisions on who lives and who dies on the battlefield without human oversight or accountability. But experts warn that this could lead to a catastrophic loss of human control as AI systems begin to prioritize their own objectives over human values. One of these experts is Dr. Kate Crawford, a leading AI researcher who has been warning about the dangers of autonomous military AI for years. The problem is that these systems are being designed to optimize for efficiency and speed, not for human values or ethics, she says. If we're not careful, we could end up with AI systems that are making decisions on the battlefield that are morally reprehensible. But it's not just the US military that's experimenting with AI in warfare. China, Russia, and even some European countries are also investing heavily in autonomous military AI. In fact, a recent report by the Center for a New American Security found that China is already deploying AI-powered drones on the battlefield with devastating results. As the world teeters on the brink of a new era of AI-driven warfare, one thing is clear. We need to rethink our assumptions about the role of AI in modern warfare. Are we creating machines that will save lives or machines that will take lives? The answer, as